Easy. Easy, girls, what is it? Hey, get away from that, get away from that. Oh, it's a bird. Get away from that. Hey, get away from that. Hey, get away. I'll get it. Watch out, girls, watch out. Here, baby. Watch out, girls. Oh, I got it. Watch out, girls. Here you go, baby. Here you go, baby. There we go. There we go. Hey, baby. I think that's one of its relatives for sure. Hey, darling. It's okay. Easy, Eugene. Can you fly yet? Bet you were scared in the pool. We'll take care of you. You got some golden retrievers in there that are worried about you. Yep. And Mississippi Golden Girls like you. They want to keep you. Girls, the bird's doing fine. Y'all stay in there. Stay in there. Stay in there. Stay in there. Y'all stay here. He's doing fine. He's doing fine, but you make him nervous. Just stay there. He's doing fine. Just stay there. Do we need to get you a shoebox and take care of you for a few days? We can do that if we need to. I hope that an animal didn't get to you. Cute little fella. Beans home, and we're taking the little bird back to its nest.
I know.
It's okay, baby.
Let go. Let go. Oh, Mama's gonna come get me.
Maybe we should just, you want to just leave that thing on the ground? He jump in?
Yeah.
Good job. And now he's
He's down on the limbs. He's fine.
there's Mama. Okay.
Hey, Piper.
Hey, Piper. And there's Mama. All right. There we go.